Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Yes, but it's turning by itself.
So stay closer to Baba here. Check out my slippers. You know how to drive? I can give you one car. Come on, Harish. Ready? Come on. Stay here. Oh, nice parking. Come here. Ready? 1, 3. Yeah, I knew it. That's why I asked you to do a fast mode because you will flip over. Baba is going there. Baba is coming back. And winner, wiener. No, not wiener. Filipino says wiener. Wiener. Who is the wiener? It's a winner. Winner. Come on. Baba wins. Yay. 1-0. You want me to do fast one as well? Okay. I'll put it in fast mode. See, if you go too fast, you will flip over there. So you have to control your speed. Okay? You count. Wait.
Do something. Like
Go back. Yes, okay. Count. You count 1, 2, 3, okay?
1, 2, 3, go. Go, Arif, go, go.
See? Oh,
Okay,
oh no.
Hold on.
Oh no. Now Baba got upside down. Now you can win, Arish. You have a chance to win now. You got stuck. Get back. Go back. You can still go back. Yes, good job. Come, I'm going to make it right. Then I will catch you. Go, quickly. I'm coming. Ready. I'm coming.
Okay, I won.
You won? Okay. Let's try again.
Ow.
Easy. You will break it this way. Let's try again. Ready? Remember, there it will flip over, so you have to slow down, okay? Ready? 1. I said 1, and you just 2, 3. Go. Yeah. I parked on top of you. No, that's cheating. You bad boy. I'm coming. Oh, I turned you around. Where am I? Turn around. Oh, my controls are not working.
I won.
You won again? Okay. Once again. This time I will smoke you, okay? Come on.
If you can smoke me,
Okay, let me see. Where's the buggy? Later we have to try the buggy as well, okay? Alright, ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Cheater. But I will win. I'm coming. Yeah! Look at me going so fast. Look at me! Check out me! Yeah! I won.
Thank you.
I won already. Smoking is no use. Ready? Come, once again.
Okay, I will get here.
No problem. I will still smoke you. 1, 2, 3. I will still smoke you. Hey, you didn't go to the grass. You didn't.
I won.
No, that's cheating. You have to go over the grass.
I already have 3 stars.
Okay, let's see who can drifting very well.
Okay, let me go first.
See, Baba's truck drifting.
Look at mine.
That's the stupidest ramp ever. So I will come and yeah, see, that was a nice jump. Hadi, ramp is here. Now Arish will jump. You almost hit me. Wait, see, Arish, see. Put it closer here, okay? Very close, and then full throttle. Oh, what happened to ramp? Ramp flew away. Okay, ready? Try again.
Is that a jump?
Maybe. That was a reverse jump, see? That was a little jump. Wait, I will do the jump. Hold on. No, that wasn't a jump. That was an excuse for a jump. Oh, I was almost doing wheelie, Irish. Yeah, I did a wheelie.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, we destroyed our ramp.
Are you kidding me?
Okay, Irish, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Baba hit one bottle.
I hit one bottle.
Okay, good. One by one. Let's bring the bottles back now. Can we?
No, give me.
See, I can drive the bottle, Irish. I can drive the bottle, see? See who will bring the bottles back first. Oh, it's going away.
Are you kidding?
Now, Irish, you're cheating. You're cheating. Drive and do it, Irish. Drive, see how Baba is doing. See, drive and do it. Oh, Irish, wait, we can play football with these cars.
How is this tiny?
Alright, so we have got ourselves a Barbie ball from Ujba there. Okay, the ball is here. We have to bring it through the goal, okay? Wait, Irish, you're cheating. You're always a cheater. You're developing a bad nature, okay? No cheating, Irish.
Because my name is
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Now, we have to bring the ball. Where are you going? I'm going to bring the ball. Uh-oh, I got stuck on the ball. See? Uh-oh, this is difficult. Now ball is stuck with the curb there. Uh-oh. Hadi. Okay, good, Irish. Very good job. Now Baba try to bring it back. Hold. Don't let it go. Come on, don't let it go. I'm bringing it. See? Hadi, bring the goal here. I'm bringing it. Cheater. I'm bringing the ball. Oh, I lost it. Adi, no, don't cheat. I got the ball. Come on, Irish. Can you do it, son? You cannot take the ball. Where's our goal, Irish? Oh no, I pushed it back there.
I'll see.
Ah, come on, Irish. Oh, I have no battery left. I got stuck. I can bring the ball. I have no battery left. I have no battery left. Honey, give me your car. I will play football. Thank you. You're just driving around. Irish, Baba's bringing the buggy. Come on, let's fight. Okay, take your buggy back. Wait. Goal! I'm coming for goal. Irish took my goal away. That's pretty difficult. I give up. Okay, I'll try to get my truck charged. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.